Welcome everybody to my reloading room. Today's been like Christmas today. Of course, most of you don't know that I have gotten a LEE Loadmaster. There's the Loadmaster. I've already got it set up to do 45 ACP. I got 100 cases in the hopper here. And of course, I put my blue lid off of a coffee can on there to keep the dust and dirt out of the collator. This one came with a blast shield, so when you raise the ram, if you would have a primer detonation, it's behind this blast shield. Okay, and it's got the bin here to catch the shells as they come out. I just put in a bullet feeder, but right now I just got the single tube. Got my light attached on top to shine down on the plate so I can check to make sure that the cartridge case is fully loaded with powder, to the correct depth. It works slick as a ribbon. Just itching to get started on it. But got that last week. I've been waiting on this. I won a $50 gift certificate from FS Reloading. So some of the stuff I got from them was this piece here and the plate that hooks to the die, because I had all the extra parts for my bullet feeder on my Pro 1000. So I set this press up for 45, the Pro 1000 set up for 40. So I ordered the screw, this bottom piece, the top plate, and I ordered for rifle. I ordered a rifle charging die. I ordered a decapping die, an extra one, because I have my decapping die on the Loadmaster on stage 1. I have my 45 ACP resizing decapping die on stage 2 with the decapping rod, and call it out. But this bench plate's going to make it easier, because right now there sits my turret press, and my single stage press is not on the bench. There's where it was. So I also picked up a punch to make my own shot cards, but this comes with the instructions, of course, and the template. Here is the wood planks. Get 2 of those. So there's 2 presses. You get a steel press mount. So there you can do 3 presses. Here's all the hardware, brackets, the bolts, and then here's the plate itself. Of course, I won't be mounting the plate on my pad. It'll go over here. But reading the instructions, this hex hole you want to the left. Of course, these gold braces go on here, one on each side. So when you put your press, which will be mounted to this, on, you tighten those down and it holds it in place. Okay, I'm getting ready to load up some 45 ACP. They're already in the hopper here. Got 100 cases, and got the bullet feeder installed here. I'm going to be loading Hornady XTP 185 grain using bullseye powder. I'm going to use the bullet feeder, but I'm not going to put the bullets in until I get a case to stage 4, which is the bullet seating stage. Then I can drop them in there. Now, I haven't done the mod yet. I've seen this mod several times of putting pieces of metal here on the side and on the fingers to where it won't drop a bullet when a case is not present, when it retracts. So need to do that mod, but I'm going to give this Loadmaster its first trial run and see how she works. Okay, here we go. Got the shell holder turned on. We're going to get our first case. Bring it into place. Now I'm going to check to make sure it is primed. And it is. Okay. Now we're ready for bullets. Put these Hornady 185 grains in the bullet feeder. Fill the tube full. Turn the light on here so I can check the charge. Okay, tube is full. I've got one in the floor. Okay, here goes. Let's see. Before I go all the way down, probably need to check it. Overall length. Overall length 1.22. Get the digital calibers out. So I can check that. Need to adjust. Now here I may lose a bullet because I need to take it back up. Let me just get that bullet out of there, out of those fingers. There's where the mod will come in handy once I do it. There we go. Okay, we've got everything up and running now correctly. There's always some fine adjustments that you have to do. Check this other one. Coming out. One, 218. So that's close, that's good. Primer system looks to be good and working real good. Load some more bullets in the bullet feeder so I know I don't run out. I hate to dump a case of powder into the catch bin for the loaded ammo. Be a mess to have to clean up. So, like any press, gotta get the tuning right. And I had run some dummy rounds through this, but those were cast lead bullets, just making some dummy rounds, just see how it's going to do. Hollow points. Let's see one here that's something happened. It didn't line up right. Crushed the case. Don't know if it was the arm not fitting all the way. Usually you can feel those things, and I felt that. Something didn't feel right. And might have been from trying to just go too fast. Show you some of these. .45, 185 grain Hornady XTP bullseye powder on a LEE Loadmaster. Yes, had a couple of issues. It's just something that goes through when you're reloading. You have those. So. Okay, since I got my Loadmaster all up and going, you see me loading the 45s. I've made one minor change. I got rid of this light that I had over here that shined down on the shell plate carrier where your case would come around after being charged with powder. So what I installed, and you'll see here in just a minute, is my own light system. which consists of LEDs on the back and on the front. Of course, I've got the wire run here. Picked these up at Walmart in the automotive section. They have them there. I think I don't know if they're for motorcycles or if they're for automotive, you know, for cars and trucks or what, but they're a 12 volt system, come in a 2-pack, and they run off 12 volt. And you can see here they got 3M adhesive on the back, so it stuck them there. And on that side, okay. And what I did right now, I've got them wired to a Uniden AC adapter. It's a 124 volt, 60 hertz, 14 watts. Its output is 12 volt DC, 500 milliamps. And I've got them, I have to plug it in to get them to come on. And I'm going to end up putting a switch on it, but let me turn this one light out. If you were standing here reloading and you was looking down into a case that was right here, you would definitely see if you had a powder charge. And once you know where the powder charge needs to be, you know, you can visually see that, okay, you got enough powder in it. With most pistol cases, 9mm, 45, 40 Smith & Wesson, 380. If you put a double charge in them, they're going to spill over. So basically, it's making sure you have enough. But I have loaded, as you can tell in the video, I'd loaded 45 ACP. That's what dies are in here now. Still have the single tube feeder for the bullet. I loaded 100 45s that day. But like I said, I put those LED lights on. Makes a world difference. Now you can buy those. There's an internet website that sells the kit. And I'm not going to mention the website, and I'm not going to mention how much they charge. But all I have in this light system is the $13, $14 that I paid for the LEDs. And like I said, these are 6-inch, I believe, and you can get them in longer lengths. They are pliable. You just don't want to fold or bend 90 degrees. But they range in price. This one, like I said, was $12.95, $13, something like that. They have 12-inch and longer ones, and of course price goes up. As for the power supply, I had a Uniden scanner in the house which went bad, but I still had the wall power supply for it, which happened to be 12 volt. So all I've got into this is $13, $14. But you know, if you wanted to do it yourself and not spend a lot of money, like I've seen on the internet, you could do this yourself. Like I said, the only thing I got left to do is actually put a switch in. Got the wire wired into the little power supply, and I am going to put a switch in it. That way I can turn them on and off, because if I unplug it now, you'll see those LEDs stay on and slowly dim down. No big deal. But with the switch, I can immediately turn the power off, and they shouldn't do that. But getting ready to redo my reloading room here soon. Give me more room to walk around. As you can see, there's not much room to walk around. But still haven't put the base plate on yet that I got. But when I go to redo this room, I will have it on. But just wanted to give you a little update on the lighting issue that I took care of using LEDs. Thanks for watching.